familiar face to so many in Middle Tennessee. We got Dr. David Snodgrass with us. He's been doing dental care, for so many years,
36.
pediatric, orthodontic, and adult care. Hi, Dr. Snodgrass.
How are you, Carol? Good
I'm
morning.
great. It's so good to see you. So many of your patients have grown up through the years and now they're bringing their kids to your practice, Snodgrass-King Dental. Let's talk about pediatric care. How soon should a parent bring a child in for their first dental exam?
Well, believe it or not, the American Academy of Pediatric Dentistry, which is one of 9 or 10 different dental specialties, recommends that all children see a pediatric dentist if one is in your area by the age of 6 months or between the ages of 6 months and 1 year.
Wow, that's a lot earlier than maybe some of us would think. And why is starting that early so important?
It's important that we educate our parents. We want to educate them on some of the bad things that can happen if you are breastfeeding or bottle feeding your baby way too long without taking proper care of the teeth. So we want to tell our parents what they should be doing. We need to demonstrate to them what they need to be using and how to do it, things like that. So anywhere between 6 months and 1 year of age is the proper time to come to a pediatric dentist.
Let's talk about those developmental years when a child's on a bottle and then converting to a sippy cup. Why is that important when it comes to dental care?
Well, it's very important because if you're on a bottle or you're breastfeeding, for instance, and you're not properly cleaning the teeth, the plaque accumulates on the teeth. Plaque is bacteria, and
Mhm.
bacteria metabolizes sugar, and sugar becomes an acid which lays on the teeth and destroys the enamel. So the sooner we can get a child supplemented with a sippy cup, the better. Usually between 6 months and 1 year of age, children can transition to a sippy cup.
Oh, that's
And
good to know.
we want, if they're going to be taking a sippy cup, we want just tap water in it primarily. At meals, you can have juice or milk or whatever you want to put in a sippy cup. But throughout the day, just having regular juice or something like in there is not the right thing to do. Tap water is the best thing to be in a sippy cup.
Gotcha. That's great advice. Okay, this is a big one. Pacifiers, sucking their thumbs. What do you advise parents?
Well, children need to be nurtured, and if a lot of times they need that nurture, they need that finger, they need that pacifier. The American Academy of Pediatric Dentistry again recommends that when possible, that children stop sucking their thumb or sucking on a pacifier no later than 1 year of age. But all children are different, and I don't like to discourage a parent from taking a child, for instance, and making them stop sucking their thumb or their finger or their pacifier. I like them to work out of it slowly and gently, and just take your time. Every child is different. Some of these children need to be nurtured more than others.
Listen, especially after all the transition and everything that we've been going through this past year. Listen, if anyone knows you guys just embrace your patients and treat them with so much love and so much care, Snodgrass-King Dental. Let's talk about the different locations you have.
Well, we have 4 different locations in Middle Tennessee, and we offer pediatric dental services, orthodontic services, and general dental services in all 4 of those locations. And the locations are geared for children. There's bright colors, there's toys, there's games, there's video games for the dads, for instance, that they can get in there and play just like they're in Top Golf or something. There's driving games for dad too. They can feel like they're at Talladega while their children are having their teeth cleaned and having fun with a staff that's educated and knows how to take care of little kids.
I do think there's that. It's so different. It's so great to have that dental care experience be a positive one starting from day one when you go through that dental office. Guys, Dr. David Snodgrass with Snodgrass-King Dental. Good to see you. And you're watching Today in Nashville.